Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, we'll be learning what overlays are, the outliner, and the properties tab. So let's begin with the overlays. Turning off the floor would get rid of those boxed plane. And then we have the axis. So the X is the right, Y is green, and Z is blue. So Z was disabled and I've just enabled it. Now we have the Y axis. It's again enabling and disabling it, and the X same properties again. We could also go with the wireframe, which just shows the wireframe of the object. That's it for the overlays tab. The outliner window is to the corner, right hand top of the screen. So the outliner, as the name suggests, provides an outline of all the objects in your scene. So right now we have a camera, light, and a cube, and it's shown under this. A collection is basically an easy method to organize all your objects. So say you had a scene consisting of plants. So what you would do is create a collection for plants and then put in multiple kinds of plants so that you know that the plants are in this collection. So if you wanted to make a change, it would be much more easier and organized. Then we have the properties tab. This right here is the active tool and workspace settings. Then there's render, output, there's the view layer, and view, world settings or properties, object properties, modifiers, particles, physics, constraints, object data properties, materials, and texture properties. So all these have a lot of settings in them. We'll discuss as we go through different tutorials. So in the render settings, obviously we'll be setting what output quality and what other effects should be there. Right here, what you see is the layout tab right here, and that's the default tab. By default, all the other tabs are present. However, when you're clicking it, it shows up. So these are basically predefined workspaces. So for modeling, all the tools required for modeling will be enabled. For sculpting tools, as you see here. UV editing will discuss that in detail, what it is exactly. Similarly with texture paint, as these two are quite interrelated. And shading is giving textures and making the object look more lifelike. Animation, as the name suggests, animating our object. So giving it keyframes and animating the object. Then rendering, you can view your rendered image from here, or just go to the render and render image here. Then we have the compositing tab. This one is used to edit your final image after the rendering. So if you wanted to tweak the lighting slightly, then you would lighting or the hue, saturation, exposure, anything like that, you would use the compositing tab. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.